What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you a simple scalping strategy that I've used on gold, oil and Euro USD. I'm going to show you how this works. Simple and effective. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Let's jump into it. So this strategy is simple. It capitalizes on the high of the session, low of the session, high of the day, low of the day, and this is how it works. So assuming we have our high of the day here, and we have the low of the day. Now you need to understand one thing. The market does three things. It breaks out. It either breaks out, pulls back. So the market might do this. The market might do this. And the last one, the market might just break out, pull back and consolidate. What we are interested in is a market that pushes up like that. That is in Asia and London. And then breaks out of the high of the session. So I want you to break down your trading window from 8 and then 9 and then 11. So this is what you do: 8, 9, 11. The first hour from 8 to 9 will set the high and the low of the session. So it doesn't matter if it's Asia, London or New York. The first hour always sets the high and the low of our trading session, these 3 hours. So you find that maybe we are up high. So that is our high of the session, like that. What we want to see next is price to come back to this level of the high of the session. So if it coincides with the high of the day, the better. But remember, this is just a scalping strategy. We want price to come back to this region to collect liquidity. So we are not trading unless we see liquidity in the market. Let me show you with a live example. Let's look at gold. So on gold today, let's start over from everything. We separate 8 and then 9 and then 11, right? The session is ending. Okay, now when I am analyzing this, I'm looking at, now this is Monday day 1. We have the high of the day there, and then we have the low of the day setting our timing window from 8 to 9. Let's look at it in the 1 minute time frame. You'll understand. So we have this low of the day, which is coincidentally low of the session, low of the day, low of the week. Well, that is a very good confluence. It sets the low of the day. Then what happens is that price comes down again in the second hour. Once price comes back again in the second hour, what does it do? It gives us our W pattern. So this is the W pattern. Right? From there, all we are looking for is a retest with an engulfment. And we had our engulfment at 10.06. So unless price breaks this level, all I'm looking now for price to give me is an engulfment candle for my entry. That is where the entry is. Put your stop loss below there and 50 pip target. In and out, simple. Let's look at oil. Oil was another one that it was in 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. So how do we go about this? Now we have this market breaking down. Don't worry about the noise. We have this market breaking down, right? And then in the first hour, the market gives us our low of the day and our high of the session, right? The high of the session is here. What does the market do? The market pumps up again, consolidates, breaks structure, consolidates, and gives us an engulfment here. When I came to the market, the price, I came as price was pushing up higher. So that is why you see my entries here, but the original entry is here with your stop loss above that high and your take profit just at the retest of this breakout level, because this market might be reversing. So it's just a scalp, in and out, a risk reward ratio of 1:2. If you're risking 100 pips, then 200 pips is a lot of money. Now let's look at Euro USD also. Now with Euro USD, you can see that was a nice scalp of 12 pips. Now we have this broken down market. And then the first hour sets the low of the session, the low of the day, the low of the week. What happens? In the first hour sets the high and the low of the session. In the second hour, price comes back to the high. Then we have this M pattern with a breaking structure. So here's our breaking structure. And then a retest with the engulfment here. So this is the entry. What are you targeting? You are targeting this low. No pressure. 10 pips, 5 pips stop loss. But it's something that you can put size on. You can see it's just a simple scalping strategy. So hopefully you got value from today's video. Like, subscribe, comment your questions, thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.